This video will cover how to do assignment marks entry for the gradebook application. Once you are on the teacher homepage, you can open up any of your classes by clicking on that class name. From that screen to the right-hand side is what they call the assignment pane window. This is where all your assignments are visible based off which grading period that you have selected. By default, this grading period will default to what the current grading period is. So let's say if you were in quarter 2 and needed to go back to quarter 1 assignments, you simply click the drop down, select quarter 1, and then those assignments will be displayed for you. On this screen, you can edit an existing assignment by clicking on the hyperlink. For example, worksheet 12 that we have here allows you to go back to the mark screen where you can adjust any marks that you need to. And you can say has redone homework. You can enter in comments for your assignment that is visible on the Parent Access website. You can also exclude that assignment from the student and strictly only that student. The exclude and post indicates that I'm going to exclude it from the student's averages, but I will not, which will not count toward his overall average, but will still be listed for the parent and the teacher to see that, hey, I've excluded it, but I'm still posting it to Parent Access so it's visible. On this screen, you can re-edit any of these marks that are there. Let's say this student here who was missing shows up, and as soon as I plug in a mark for him, leave that box, it gets automatically updated. The missing check mark goes away. You can still put a late check mark and say handed in late due to illness or something like that. You also have the ability to take this and copy that down by doing a fill column if you want to. At this time, you can exclude the entire assignment from the student averages from this checkbox here. The postmarks to the web indicates I want this listed and displayed on Parent Access. From the screen, I can then jump to my other classes from the filter at the drop down at the top. So if I want to switch to period 2, math 3, and in this particular case, I can then put in my marks. If everyone did very well, I can type in 10, right click, and say fill that column down to save some entry, and then just adjust those students who have a different mark other than that. As I said, everything is auto-saved on this screen. From here, I can also, if I want to delete this assignment, I can do that. However, if I wish to add another assignment, I can click on this to add another assignment. I can also copy this assignment. When I click on that option, it gives me the ability to where do I want to copy it to and from, and what assignment type do I wish to give it. So we'll close out of that. On this screen, it gives you then the ability to jump back to the main tab. On the main tab is where you would adjust if I need to adjust my description. I want to make it maybe more meaningful to me. The sequence number is just strictly built in for the teacher reference. Same thing with assignment types. These are the assignment types you linked under your assignment types menu that was mentioned in a prior video. You can also adjust your points, the due date if something happened maybe during a snow day and I need to extend the due date, this is where you can extend it. You can also, if I jump to the mark screen, okay, it gives you then the ability to go back if I need to import any assignment or delete the assignment, etc. We jump back to main. You also have that ability on these options here as well. So there's several places on the screen where you can perform the same function. This also, when you jump to the main screen, tells you that this assignment has been shared with other classes. This concludes how to maneuver through adding assignment marks and the assignment pane window. Thank you.